Hey, what's up, budding entrepreneur? I'm Raghav here. Welcome to my Profit Tiers review. As you can see, I'm here inside the members area of Profit Tiers to show you the content inside. I will be explaining each module in a moment, and I will get to the sales page and have a look at the claims being made, and let's see if this one lives up to those claims. And of course, I have put together a ton of exclusive bonuses for you if you choose to get Profit Tiers through my link in the description down below this video. Alright, let's dive in. In a nutshell, Profit Tiers is a brand new video course, not a software product, okay? With this course, you learn a new and very clever method to make around $136 per day online without selling a thing. Yes, without selling a thing. So this is a CPA method, as you guessed it. For those who don't know about CPA, CPA means cost per action, where you get paid for the leads, not sales. For example, in affiliate marketing, you have to make people to take out their credit card to purchase it through your link, which may be hard for newbies. But in CPA marketing, if somebody submits their email through your link, you will get paid. If somebody submits their phone number or zip code through your link, they will get paid. So in CPA, you will get paid for the leads, not sales. It is very easy to make around $50 to $150 per day without selling. However, this CPA method is very specific, so it makes it very simple for newbies to get started. A beginner friendly method. Pretty much anybody watching this video can get results, and with my bonuses, I don't see any reason to fail with this method if you pick it up and take action. So I'm gonna show you more in detail exactly what's inside this video course, but before that, I'm excited to show you my exclusive bonuses which will get you results faster. I have spent hours to create these bonuses for you, so I don't want you to miss out any of these bonuses. If you click on the first link in the description, you will be taken to my bonus page where I host all of my bonuses for Profit Tiers. Here you can find everything you need to know about Profit Tiers. These are the upgrades that you can get. I will be explaining to you in a minute. Let me show you my bonuses first. Okay, my bonus number 1 is a software called Enigma. I'm giving you the pro version. Using the software, you can siphon traffic from viral Facebook videos and send those visitors to your CPA offers and make some good money. This one includes a training by John Armstrong on how to use this for CPA offers. Also, the software is very good, which gets you a viral traffic. I have seen it time and time again. I use it properly. And my bonus number 2 is best way to get guaranteed approval from different CPA networks. Inside Profit Tiers training, they are teaching you earn money from a single CPA network. With this bonus hack, you can get approved from different CPA networks like Max Bounty, Peerfly, and some other pay-per-call networks, which pay out really well. It's good to have at least 3 CPA networks as your income source. Next, my bonus number 3 is 2 evergreen traffic sources. These traffic sources that I recommend are very good and profit you in the long run. I will also show you how to promote CPA offers with these traffic sources, which can pay you passively day by day after you set this up. Then bonus number 4 is CPA Jukebox Index. It contains different CPA methods. You can try it out, like CPA coffee shop method, 300 CPA every day, a 2K CPA traffic jacker, CPA income crusher, etc. These CPA methods taught in Profit Tiers is very new. I believe that these old methods also will help you out to get your desired results faster, so I am giving it to you. And bonus number 5 is you will get access to all the vendor bonuses inside the members area that are Profit Tiers Fast Start PDF, a Jason mastermind group where you can ask questions with fellow entrepreneurs and Jason himself to gain their insights, a snowball system using which you can get an avalanche of traffic for your CPA offers, and my first sale online by Jason, a kind of case study and motivation to stop procrastination and take action to kickstart your make money online journey. Okay, so I'm guessing that most people will offer only these vendor bonuses inside their promos, but I'm trying to go above and beyond everyone right here to give you the best experience possible with Profit Tiers. To grab all of these bonuses 100% free of charge, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description, come to my bonus page and click on any of the blue buttons on my bonus page, which will take you to the sales page. Once you are there, click on get instant access. After a successful purchase, your receipt page will look similar to this. Click on the blue button to grab all of my bonuses. Now let's take a look at the sales page. Struggling newbies, does making $0 online bring tears to your face? New case study reveals the no selling pandemic proof method. This dad used to go from $0 to $136 daily. Pretty legit. I agree with this because no hype like $300 per day, $500 per day, 1000 per day like that, even though you can scale this method to hundreds of dollars per day. Let me go through this real quick. Absolutely no selling required to profit. Yes, you heard that right. You are paid for leads, not sales. So I agree with this one. No bullshit theory. This is 100% proven by results. No paid methods involved, fueled by free traffic methods. They teach both paid and free traffic inside. I suggest you to go with the free traffic methods and make some good money. Then invest that money into paid traffic so that you can scale your income. Okay. No guesswork. Done for you campaigns are included at no extra cost. Most products on Warrior Plus have a done for you campaigns as an upsell where you have to pay an additional money, but with Profit Tiers, a done for you campaign is included like a piece of cake. You just have to copy and paste. You don't have to do the hard work of setting this up. It is done for you already. No special skills or experience required. They teach everything inside. Create new passive income streams. So this is the sales video. Go and watch it if you have time. Secure your discounted copy before the price skyrockets. It is a limited time 78% discount. As usual, 30-day money back guarantee. There is no risk from your side. So kindly check out the sales page in your own time. I will leave it to you because there is no fake claims. Let's go straight to the members area. Here we are, the part you have been waiting for. As usual, the welcome videos from the course creators. Welcome video from Jason and Mark. Network sign up and offer sign up. Follow this video by Mark where he shows you how to sign up for their recommended CPA network. It is a guaranteed sign up. You don't need to worry about approval like on Warrior Plus or Seviso. It will be approved for sure. Advanced trainings. Mark go in detail about sending traffic to your CPA offers using a squeeze page and follow-up email series. In this advanced training too, Mark teaches compounding and scaling your income. This one is an alternative method. Mark shows you how to give one of their previous products for free and make 50% commission through the funnel. Here is the done for you campaign. I said earlier, most of the people come straight to the done for you section after their purchase. Nothing wrong in that. You should go through this training step by step. Also take notes which will motivate you to take action. The important part of the whole training, the traffic section. No traffic equals no money. More traffic equals more money. Here is the paid traffic I have, but I highly suggest you to use the free traffic methods. It is a very good method as there is no risk involved. There is a ton of value in this section. Make use of it. Take notes. As I said earlier, once you have made a good reasonable amount of money, invest that money into the paid traffic method shown here so that you can scale your earnings. Case study 1, in that Jason shows you how to make about 2K with profits using this done for you funnel given inside Profit Tiers. Case study number 2 is how Mark made nearly $1,000 using Profit Tiers method. Next section, the vendor bonuses. As I explained to you earlier, optional upgrades I'm gonna explain to you in a second. The support section where you can ask Jason your burning questions and get answered. That's all what's inside members area. Now you got a clear idea about what Profit Tiers is, I believe. Now let me explain the prices and upgrades. So the Profit Tiers cost you only $12.95 with the discounted price during the launch, which I would say a very good price for what you are paying for. Actually you are getting pretty much. You can make the investment back within a couple of hours after you implement this method shown inside. Also you will get all of my exclusive bonuses 100% free with this, so this is a no-brainer deal. Regarding the upgrades, there are 5. These are completely optional, but I do recommend 2 of them. Also all of these upgrades have a downsell option which saves you some money when you buy. Okay, the first upgrade is Profit Tiers Underground Secret Commission Sites, priced at $47. Here we give our students an opportunity to tap into the hidden secret underground commission sites plus additional done for you Profit Tiers campaigns that will get you set faster and without figuring it on your own. These offers alone will rapidly boost your success with Profit Tiers. These campaigns allow you to plug and play directly into the underground secret offers. No more having to put hours and hours of work. This has been designed to be as easy as possible to you. You don't need to get confused about underground secret mafia things. In this upgrade, they are just they're gonna show you additional CPA networks and offers they have tested out in the past, which converted well, and they will give you additional done for you campaigns for those offers. So to get this upgrade at a downsell price of 27, all you have to do is, once you are offered with this upgrade, just scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will find something like, no, I don't want blah blah blah. Just click on that. You will be offered with a discounted price of 27 bucks. Also, you will get the $47 stuff for 27 bucks at a 20% discount. You get the same thing, don't worry about it, just a discount, but don't tell anyone that I have told you this. Now next upgrade is Profiteers Advanced 500x edition. In this additional training, they will teach you advanced list building strategies and done for you emails to maximize your earnings, which could potentially make you extra 100k per year. I didn't recommend this because it is not as easy as it sounds, but if you want this, get it for a downsell price of $47. Next upgrade is Profiteers Done for You Affiliate Profits, is my recommendation. You can consider. This one is $197, but there is a downsell price of $90, pretty much $100 discount, for which you get the same thing. Why I recommend this one is because you don't have to do the guesswork of picking up different offers and don't have to do the hard work of setting up funnels. Instead, you can easily clone their funnels and copy paste their campaigns and 10x your investment within a couple of days. You can consider this one if you have extra cash. Next upgrade is Profiteers 1k paydays. In this, Jason and Mark show you their secret methods of generating multiple 1k paydays without the need of domain website hosting. I don't recommend this because it is not as easy as it sounds. I know many people making $1,000 per day with CPA, but it takes a lot of effort and time from your side to make it happen. For the time being, just focus on one method. You can get it anytime inside the members area later if you need it, but if you still need it, you want to know their secrets, go and get it for 57 bucks at downsell price. Okay, upgrade number 5, you will get the license rights of Profiteers to sell as your own product for $97. Also, this one also has a downsell price of $47. You can sell this as your own product and keep 100% profit yourself. That's all for today's video. If you are still here, just click on the link in the description below and check it out. If you like my way of explanation, give this video a thumbs up. If you still have any doubts, comment below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Also, don't hesitate to email me at ragavaorajh@gmail.com. I will reply to you within hours. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you don't want to miss out of my future reviews and bonuses. I will be very happy if you subscribe. Winding up, thank you for watching my Profiteers review. This is Raghav signing off. Take care, take action.